First of all, First of all, thank you for coming. First of all, we need a plan. First of all, let's stay calm.
One way or another. One way or another, we'll find a solution. One way or another, everything will work out. One way or another, we'll get there.
On top of that, it's completely free. On top of that, it's easy to use. On top of that, we finished early.
On the bright side. On the bright side, we still have time. On the bright side, things are getting better. On the bright side, we learned something new.
From now on, let's keep in touch. From now on, I'm eating healthier. From now on, we'll do things differently.
In fact, that's a great idea. In fact, everything went well. In fact, I expected that.
No wonder. No wonder you're tired. No wonder they succeeded. No wonder people recommend it.
In the long run. In the long run, hard work pays off. In the long run, patience wins. In the long run, it's worth the effort.
In general, I agree with you. In general, everything went well. In general, that's true.
In other words, you have two options. In other words, it's your decision. In other words, we're on the same page.
The good news is everything is ready. The good news is there's nothing to worry about. The good news is we're making progress.